All right, some big Apple news now. The iPhone U.S. market share hitting an all-time high last quarter, giving it more than 50% of the total U.S. market share for the first time ever, according to a new market intelligence report. Tech reporter Dan Howley here with the latest. Dan, I got to admit, I thought this was achieved long ago. I just assumed we were 60 or 70%.
Yeah, so it's the first time that it's had a majority since 2007 of devices. So Android has been there, right? And, there's a reason for that. There's more Android devices on the market. There's a greater breadth of options for Android devices, whether it's, the high end, the entry level, the mid range. So, the iPhone, if you're looking for an entry level smartphone, the iPhone's really not where you're going to go, unless you get the SE or something along those lines. But that's But there are great Android phones out there, and so it's interesting to see that Apple has finally taken this lead back. And that they have that many different devices out there. And a lot of it has to do with how Apple markets itself, right? Like all the other companies kind of try to ape this, but you have the iPhone, the Apple Watch, the AirPods, Apple TV Plus, Apple Fitness Plus, and it all just meshes so well. Look, you take a pair of AirPods out of a box, you press the little button on it, and it connects to your phone instantly, right? You try doing that with an Android smartphone. You have to download an app. There's this whole different, kind of rigmarole you got to work your way through. So it just is more convenient overall. I do think, though, that, Google in particular is putting out some really great devices. So I don't necessarily know how long Apple will be able to hold on to this.
Oh, you think this could reverse itself?
I think it'll continue to go back and forth over and over. Just because, look, Google is really putting out some fabulous stuff at relatively low prices.
They got so far to go, man.
Oh, yeah,
they do.
They do.
20 years to catch up.
Yeah. But, overall, Android, they still have Samsung, which, it's Samsung. They just, dominate globally. So I do think that eventually it'll switch back to Android. And it'll just be, it's good to have these two competitors, OS competitors, I guess. It would be nice if there were more, but, BlackBerry died because of these two, so...
It's hard to compete.
Yeah.
And it really is tough to beat. It is tough to beat that Apple ecosystem for sure.